to adjust that, right? So you can just do like that, put it here. If you want to crop it, press your computer keyboard Alt button and resize it like that. You can do like the corner and everything. So right now it's fine for me, and that's how you can import your Zoom call and stream it. Nowadays we are seeing like a lot of, like, because of this coronavirus, the news channel are using video call with someone who is living in the home, and they can just easily put their screen on using OBS and something like that software, like Streamlab OBS or OBS, like other streaming platform software, and doing live streaming. So that's how you can live stream using Zoom. So if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, because I don't know how I explained you. If you don't understand anything, just leave me a comment. I will definitely reply on your comment. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Take care.